Hey everyone, it is Salman Bahu. I'm affiliated with University of Udine, Italy and University of Agder, Norway. Welcome to the playlist How to Choose Research Topic. This playlist will be helpful if you're planning to choose a research topic for your proposal, to apply admission at master or PhD level, or you're going to start a research project. In this video, I will discuss how to search articles in databases. There are three famous databases if you want to search your literature on your topic. First of all, ISI Web of Science or ISI Web of Knowledge, Scopus and Google Scholar. These three databases can help you to search literature on your topic. ISI Web of Science and Scopus are the paid databases. You must have access maybe from your university, or you should have a personal account to access these two databases. However, Google Scholar is a free database. You can access free of cost and you can search literature on that. To search in these databases, you must have few keywords. With those keywords, you will be able to search literature in these databases. Let's take an example. We want to search literature on corruption in banks, and you want to see how literature is going in the banking sector. Third, you must identify maximum keywords, use multiple synonyms to cover the complete literature on your topic. I want to show you an example of my recent article, Corruption in Banks, which published in Finance Research Letter ABS Level 2, that how we can search the literature in these databases one by one. First of all, we go to our web browser and we write here Web of Knowledge database, and it will lead you towards the document search window of the Web of Science database. Here are the multiple filters which you can apply to search the literature. I will recommend you to apply the topic filter here. It is more good and it will give you a maximum coverage of your data. And here we apply the same way of applying the filters. We write here the banks if you want to see the corruption in banks, and we search. It will give you all the search result which all the papers which have these two keywords together. So here is a multiple keywords and multiple filters are available. Let's suppose you just want to see in articles, we can limit it to article, and also you can write refine. So it will give you now 181 articles which you want to read. And also there is an option to apply the language filters, because most of the time we are the English speaker and reader, so you can limit your search to English language. You can also limit your search in the area of field where you are working. Let's suppose we go to that filter here. It will give you the papers which are divided into different fields. So let's suppose we are working in the field of business management and economics, so we just need these three. So you can just filter these terms. Otherwise there are some papers which are in law and area studies, political science, international relations, so we don't need those papers. So that's why we can limit it. So you can press refine. In this way you have most relevant 107 papers, but still you need to go through every abstract of the article, and after reading the abstract of the article you can decide about the papers that you want to add into the list or not. Second, we have to go to the Scopus document search page. Here you can see that it's almost the same, having a same feature which we have seen in the ISI Web of Knowledge database. So same, we write here the keywords into inverted commas, corruption and banks. So it will search in article title, abstract and keyword, and then we press search command. In the same way you can see that there are a lot of papers, 1062. You can apply different filters. You can apply filters based on the subjects. If you're working on business and economics, there are 282 papers. So just we want to see in business, accounting and management, and also economics and something like that. So when you apply these filters, you just need to just limit to, so it will limit your search up to these search filters. So these are the different ways you can filter the articles. Then you can read it and put into your Excel file to 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 make it usable. Further, we check from the Google Scholar. You write here Google Scholar in your address book. Then you go to Google Scholar almost the same way, but Google Scholar is an open access database. You can search anything on the Google Scholar. It's free of cost, and you don't need any password or other requirements. So we go to Google Scholar, and you can see that also you can apply some filter based on the date if you want since 2020, or you can just want whatever it is. So these are the recent papers by citations, and they are given. If for example, if you want to see the recent papers in 2020, we just click here, and after clicking here you will see that it will give you all the papers which published in 2020. So let me see that where is my paper, corruption in banks, because it also published in 2020. So yes, because there are number of papers will be available on Google Scholar. It's free. Almost it will give you all the articles which are available online on the topic. So yes, so you can find out here the number of articles, and you can read them. um, yes, these are the some tips to search your articles into databases. We saw three databases. We saw the importance of the keywords and how to select the keywords. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.